Hey nieces and nephews, it's your girl Bad Aunt BB here, and today I am going to review some headbands to go with my amazing headband wig. You guys have seen this wig before. I've already done a review on it, but I will leave that review link in the description box and somewhere around here, you know, for your viewing pleasure. I was so excited seeing that I could get these very affordable. I spent like $20 on 6 headbands, and they're like really glam, like too glam to give a damn. So I'm going to show you guys how I style these and give you some tips and tricks on how to wear these when you're wearing your headband wigs, because you know everybody's not, you know, Sarah plain and tall. We're not just gonna do the plain black band thing. We got other things to do, other people to see, so we gotta switch it up sometimes. But you also have to be cautious with making sure that this black band isn't seen, so I'm gonna show y'all how I do that, so stay tuned. But first, stocking cap. Now, when I plan on wearing my headband wig with a headband wig, I want as little of this black band in the way as possible. So let's just apply the combs. I give myself about a ½ inch to an inch of real hair, and then with the headband itself, I just go under, trying to lessen that wig and how much is going to be seen, because headbands, like little children, should be seen and not heard. You know what I'm saying? Does that even make sense? Anyway, like right there we go, there we go. So yeah, you see how little that band is? Now we're ready to apply some headbands. I've gotten the black band to now like, it's like less than ½ inch. Okay, I've got a little bit of volume too, so this is gonna be perfect for my thick headbands. These thick headbands, I mean, can you believe I got these from Amazon? Like, I'm definitely gonna leave the link below for you guys to be able to get all 6 of these headbands for like $20, just like I did. This is just sassy, okay? I'm just gonna put my headband right over that black band, so now you can't even see the black band. It doesn't look like I'm wearing a headband wig at all, and that's exactly the illusion we're trying to give, nieces and nephews. Serving you royalty. Next we want to bring, I'm totally gonna get like one of those mirrors with the jewelry holders, because my jewelry collection is getting wild. But yeah, this makes me want to put my shiny ring on. I hate to take my diamonds off, but yes, you know, now I'm blinging, serving. Next up, we have the embellished, the rainbow embellished headband wig, and I mean, look at that. Ugh, it just takes me to Lion King for some reason. I don't know why. I don't know why it makes me think of Lion King. I just see all the colors and it takes me to some type of Disney movie, okay? So I just took that other headband off and like, look at, gorgeous!
Like, seriously, would it even be my video if something didn't go wrong?
Wow, that was strange, but okay. We're back. We're back on air. I like her. Now, let's see how this works with the thinner headbands. I love this rainbow colored one though. Ooh. So these ones, I've got like the super thin ones that are probably like a ½ inch. And then I've got like, these are like an inch. Let's see. Like a ½ inch, ¾ inch. Let's do these. I have a black and a gold, and they probably are about the same size as the black headband, so I have to be super careful covering these, because I want the whole black band covered. And I think, yep, this one is thick enough to cover that full black band. Okay, it's doing something. It's doing something like the black band, but much fancier. Much fancier. We're getting a little shine. Then we have this lovely, it's kind of gold, kind of tan. We put this on there and we just, oh, she's giving you nasty but classy. Yes. She's cute. I like her. I would wear this one like everywhere. Definitely. I would definitely wear this everywhere. It's so cute. So cute and girly. Now, the thin ones. I have a thin pink one and a thin white one. This one is not thin enough to cover my black headband, so we have more work to do. This is where you might actually have to turn your headband wig into a half wig and pull your hair out. I'll show you what I mean. I really hate doing this because when I wear a headband wig, I don't want it to be a half wig, but if I have to, I gotta do what I gotta do. So I'm just brushing my hair out in the front, and I'm gonna cover that little black band with it. I'm gonna cover up that little black band because I might be a little frizzy and natural, but the black band will be covered up and you won't see this when I put the thin headband on. So I'm taking my white headband and boom. Serving. Headband wig getting served. And you can't see any of that black band. Now can you? Nope, you cannot. If I wasn't being so lazy, I would even put a little bit of gel or wax to slick down my edges, but since we are doing this YouTube video and I want to make this quick, easy peasy for you guys, I'm not gonna do all that stuff with my hair. But ideally, like if you want to be clean and serene and you want your hair texture to match the texture of your headband wig, then you should, you know, use a little wax or some gel, flat iron it, do what you need to do to blend your hair with the actual headband wig hair. But you know, you can see I'm a little frizzier because my natural hair is out. But let's talk about the headband though. Very cute, very chic. And there's one more to go. This pink one. Oh yeah, she's pretty in pink. Yes, she is pretty in pink. I like her just as much as I like the white ones. They are identical. And yeah, you all tell me what you think in the comment section below. You know, there is no community without the you and the I love hearing from you, and check in with me on social media too. You know, I'll be over there. So in the meantime, in between time, this is my headband haul from Amazon. I got all of these beautiful headbands to match my beautiful headband wig that I bought from MsPsBoutique. I will leave all of the information below for where you can get everything from. So in the meantime, in between time, it's your girl Bad Aunt BB, over and out.